This video can be used for the perimeter activities, just to remind you that perimeter is the distance around the outside of something. So the perimeter of Hope School is the distance all around the outside of the fields and the fence. Okay, the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So in this shape here, you've got 8 across here and 5 down here, but this would also be 8 and this would also be 5. So you've got 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. 8 and 8 is 16. So I'm going to write that in. 5 and 5 is 10. So if I add them together, I'm going to get 26. Okay, you can use a piece of paper if you need to. This one is 9 and 9, but it's also going to be 9 and 9. So 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. I know my 9 times table. 4 nines is 36. If you don't, you can just add them up. 9 and 9 is 18, and another 18 is 36. This one here, again, 25 and 25, I know is 50. So this will be another 25 and another 25, which is another 50. And I know that 50 and 50 is 100. A little bit harder, we're into decimals. 4.5 and 4.5. Well, 4 and 4 is 8. And a half is 1. So that's 9 for those two sides. And then we've got 3.5 and 3.5. Well, 3 and 3 is 6. Half and half is another 1. So that's another 7. 9 and 7 is 16. Okay, just add them up, add the wholes, add the halves, add it all together. Here we've got 7.5 and 7.5. 7 and 7 is 14. Another half and a half is a 1, which makes 15. And then we've got 1.5 and 1.5. 1 and 1 is 2. Another half and a half makes 3. 15 and 3 more is 18. Okay, and that's what perimeter is. The two sides that are opposite each other will be the same length, add them together. These two sides will be the same length, add them together, and add both numbers together to get the total perimeter around the outside of the shape.